So as we go through this, we've selecting our design, right? You come up to launch, right? CM5. And this is where the big stupidness happens, right? Because it does, CM5 things where it'll go ahead, it'll run through its process, and then it'll open up your design, it'll go through here and do it. And you're like, oh, okay, cool. I'm ready to cut. I'm going to do this. And then you're like, what the hell am I looking at? I'm looking at a blank screen. What the hell is going on? I know there's a design there. I know what's going on. So here's my fix that I found for it when it happens. I select the design, right? So select it, Control C. I go to a new tab. So I open up a completely new tab and I Control V. I drop it in there. Inside the wizard, I just hit this button here. You don't need to, but it just sizes the page to the design with a simple click, just like that. And it just sized it, okay? Now I have everything here and I come over to my color palette. Doesn't matter the color. Doesn't matter the color. So I'm just picking black, okay? Selecting black. Go ahead, select everything, come back up to launch. We're going to scroll back down to where we were, CM5. It's going to do its CM5 thing a lot faster this time. And Bob's your uncle. There it is, ready to go. It's going